Good morning, everyone. We need to buy some healthy food for the week.
That's a great idea. We've been eating too much takeout lately.
Does that mean we're going grocery shopping today?
Yes, we are.
Yay, I love going to the grocery store.
Then, you can help us choose some healthy foods.
I can do that. What should we buy first?
Let's make a shopping list before we leave.
That way, we won't forget anything important.
Can we put apples on the list?
Absolutely. Apples are healthy and easy to pack for school.
We should also buy bananas.
I like bananas with my breakfast.
Then bananas go on the list too.
What about oranges?
Good idea. They're full of vitamin C.
Can we buy strawberries as well?
Yes, if they look fresh.
We also need vegetables.
I like carrots and cucumbers.
Those are excellent choices.
Let's get some spinach too.
What do we use spinach for?
We can make salads, sandwiches, and smoothies with it.
That sounds delicious.
We should buy broccoli as well.
Broccoli is one of the healthiest vegetables.
I'll try to eat more broccoli this week.
That's wonderful to hear.
Do we need any protein foods?
Yes, we should buy eggs, chicken, and fish.
I like scrambled eggs for breakfast.
They're quick and healthy.
We also need whole grain foods.
What are whole grains?
Foods like oatmeal, brown rice, and whole wheat bread.
Oh, I like oatmeal with honey.
Then let's add oatmeal to the list.
We should also buy some healthy snacks.
Instead of chips?
Yes, we can buy yogurt, nuts, and fresh fruits.
Those snacks will keep us energized throughout the day.
I think healthy food can be tasty too.
You're absolutely right.
Is our shopping list complete now?
Let's check. Fruits, vegetables, protein, whole grains, and healthy snacks.
It sounds like we have everything.
I'm ready.
Me too. Let's go buy some healthy food.
Here we are. The produce section is right ahead.
Everything looks so fresh. Let's start with the fruits.
These apples look nice and crisp.
Yes, let's pick a few. The bananas look ripe too.
I eat bananas almost every morning. They're great for breakfast.
How about these oranges? They look juicy.
Oranges are full of vitamin C.
Let's take a bag. Should we buy strawberries too?
Absolutely. They're one of my favorites. Now let's pick some vegetables.
We need ingredients for salads and dinners.
There are so many choices here. Let's start with spinach.
Is spinach really healthy?
Yes, it's packed with vitamins and minerals.
I'll get a fresh bag of spinach.
We also need broccoli. I like broccoli when it's steamed.
These broccoli heads look fresh.
Let's take two of them.
What about bell peppers? They're colorful and nutritious. I'll get red, yellow, and green peppers.
Our cart is getting full already. We need some healthy protein options.
Let's check the meat section. What kind of protein should we buy?
Chicken breast is a good choice.
It's low in fat and high in protein.
We also need eggs.
Eggs are great for breakfast.
I like scrambled eggs. They're easy to prepare too.
How about fish?
Fish is very healthy.
We can have fish for dinner tomorrow.
That's a great idea.
I'll pick some fresh salmon. We should buy some whole grain foods.
Yes, whole grains provide lasting energy.
What's a whole grain?
It's a grain that keeps all its nutritious parts.
That's why it's healthier.
Oh, I understand now.
Let's get whole wheat bread.
Here's a fresh loaf.
Can we buy oatmeal too?
Definitely. Oatmeal is a healthy breakfast.
We also need brown rice.
Brown rice goes well with vegetables and chicken.
I like rice bowls.
Then, we'll make some this week.
Healthy meals can be delicious too.
Look at all these chips and cookies.
They do look tempting.
Let's find healthier snacks instead.
What do you suggest?
Nuts, yogurt, and fresh fruit are great choices.
Here are some almonds.
I like almonds.
They're full of healthy fats.
What about walnuts?
Those are healthy too.
Can we buy yogurt cups?
Yes, but let's choose ones with less sugar.
Here's a healthy brand.
Great, I'll eat these after school.
Healthy snacks help keep your energy up. Before we buy this cereal, let's read the nutrition label.
Why do we need to do that?
It helps us make better choices.
Then let's read the labels first.
Look at the sugar content.
Wow, that's a lot of sugar.
Exactly, too much sugar isn't healthy.
Here's another cereal with more fiber.
Is fiber important?
Yes, it helps with digestion.
Then this one seems better.
Let's compare a few more options.
This one has less sugar too.
Good observation.
You're getting good at reading labels. If you have enjoyed the conversation, please hit the like button and subscribe for more useful videos.